Fifth Sunday of Easter. First reading is from the Acts of the Apostles. After Paul and Barnabas had proclaimed the good news to that city and made a considerate number of disciples, they returned to Lystra and to Iconium and to Antioch. They strengthened the spirits of the disciples and exhorted them to persevere in the faith, saying, "It is necessary for us to undergo many hardships to enter the kingdom of God." They appointed elders for them in each church, and with prayer and fasting commended them to the Lord, in whom they had put their faith. Then they traveled through Pisidia and reached Pamphylia. After proclaiming the word at Perga, they went down to Attalia. From there they sailed to Antioch, where they had been commended to the grace of God for the work they had now accomplished. And when they arrived, they called the church together and reported what God had done with them, and now He had opened the door of faith to the Gentiles. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Please like and subscribe.